I'd like to welcome you to 1555 Lime Lake Road, and I am at the Tyner Schoolhouse, SS20. It's an antique building, and every fall I open it up to all my basket work, and sometimes I teach basket working here. So and these are some of the baskets that I do make. This is a little tea basket, so you can put your tea in it, all your different kinds of tea, or if you want to put your recipes in something, you can put your recipe books in this basket, and you can also put your baking utensils in there, and it's display it nicely in your kitchen. So another one of my baskets, my favorites, is my single wine basket, and all my baskets are made out of split ash, and the handles are all oak, and the handles usually go all the way across the bottom, which makes them nice and sturdy. My name is Naneen Tyner, and I live just up the road from here, so it's really handy to come to the studio and do some of my work. This is one of the baskets I started this morning. It's not finished yet, but it will be before the day is over. And this is another basket, and this is the bottom of a basket, and I've woven the reeds in and out, and as I go I spray them to keep them nice and damp so they're pliable. So this is the way I do the weaving, and all my baskets have this at the bottom because it holds the base. So if you happen to let it slip off, you're not going to lose where you wear. So the bottom of this base, when it gets finished, gets turned up like this, and those are the sides. And from then on, then we just go and do the rim, and then lash it, and it is all nice and tight. This is another one of my baskets that I've done, and you do the base a little differently. It's round, and you do it to the size you want. You tip the sides up, and you weave the sides, and then I've made a nice place for your handle here. And then I finish the basket all off, and this black is black caning. And caning is the same as the other stuff I use on the top of my baskets. They're very functional. You can use them in your kitchen, you can store things in them, or you can give them as a gift. I'd like to thank you for listening to my demonstration.